Hello class 8th student, it's part 14 chapter 7 science. We are reading the cell organelles, continuing it. We are on the now endoplasmic reticulum, that are also known as the ER. They are network of tubules. They are network of tubules, means tube-like structures are involved in so many numbers here, which are involved in the synthesis, storage and transportation of the substance within the cells, and they are also aid in protein synthesis. The basic work of these endoplasmic reticulums is the synthesis of proteins and the fat molecules. Okay, and these are tube-like structures. Is a network of tubules, means most of the tubes are connected to perform these tasks, which are synthesis means production, and then store and transportations of the substance where they are required in the cell. They are able to transport these to the target organ. The next one is the ribosomes. They are a small granular substance, means these are a small granular, means size of grains, just like wheat size. Okay, so they are a small granular structures scattered in the cytoplasm. Where they are present, they are scattered and where in the cytoplasm, and are responsible for protein synthesis, and they are responsible for the protein synthesis. Next organelle is the vacuoles. They are fluid filled sac-like structure, means they are bag-like structure filled with the fluid. They store excess food. And water that a cell used to survive harsh condition. As we know that plants can't show the locomotion. They are standing at a place, so they have to need more of the food particles and the water. As the conditions are not favorable, they can use them and can survive. So that's why they store excess food and water in that cell vacuoles for surviving in the unfavorable conditions, because they are unable to move. They also store waste inside them, which are eventually sent out to the cell. In plant cell, vacuoles are much larger than the animal cells. Either the animal cell don't have vacuole, or if they having, they are small in size. Okay, because its need is higher in the plant cell, as animals are able to move but plants are not. So plant needs to store more of the food and water. Okay, so they also store waste inside them, means these vacuoles also having some waste material, which are eventually sent out to the cell, and which is occasionally or time to time sent out to the cell, and after the cell it exceeds out. Okay. The next is a lysosome. Lysosome, they contain chemical substance called the enzyme that can digest both material present inside and outside the cell. As I told you, you can send it the disposal bag also. I will tell you this thing. The strong enzyme are capable of bursting and destroying the cell. Means the enzymes which are present in the lysosome, they are so strong that they are able to digest the complex molecules also. They are capable to burst and destroying the cells during emergency conditions. Means these are also able to burst the cells or destroy the cells during the conditions is not favorable. They are also known as the suicide bag of the cell, as the cell of this lysosome is destroyed out, then it eat its own cell. That's why they are known as the suicidal bag. If the cells of these lysosome is burst out or the destroy, it eat itself. That's why. Okay. Now the next part is that centrosomes. These are small organelles seen in the animal cells. They play an important role in the cell division. Centrosomes are the cell organelles. Centrosomes are small organelles. Those are seen in animal cells. Okay, and they play an important role in the cell division. While the stage of cell division come, they plays important role in it. Here is a structure of the centrosomes. One more thing, class, as I told you that the detailed study of these cell organelles you are going to read in your next standard. For this standard, the basic knowledge of the cell organelle is sufficient to you. Thank you, class. We continue in the next video.